Yeah, it's me. Say, I wanted to show you a couple of cool things about kind of where we're at with the quail eggs. We're at the end of the last week of incubation, and so day 18, 19 will happen on this upcoming Sunday. So think about if you want to have a pet quail or not, what that will look like for you. We'll put them in an aquarium with a reading lamp, which essentially gives them some heat and some water. So they'll be fine to hang out, and you can come look at them in the classroom. And they're good to stay in that kind of a setup for weeks. If in fact you wanted to take a quail home, you have time to think about that. But anyway, here's a couple of things kind of interesting. These are the quail eggs that we're measuring for data in this blue machine right here. It's called the Egg Buddy, and it's a heart rate monitor for eggs. So for instance, we'll take egg number 1 and we'll put it on here, and it's got a really tiny little micro sensor in there that will try to pick up the heart rate. And so we're looking at it. Uh-oh, it shows a black heart. Oh, wait a minute. Now it's picking up a heartbeat. See that? Yeah, if the heart stays black, that's not good, but now it's a clear heart. Now the machine has picked up 284 beats per minute. It says that egg is alive. So that's good. Let's try another one. The Egg Buddy. Put this as egg number 1. We have 20 here that we're using for classroom data. I'm just about to weigh those. And today is day 14. So let's try it again. Okay. The Egg Buddy is showing a rhythm. It's trying to use this electronic processor to put all the data together and give you kind of a, uh-oh, that's not good. That means it's struggling to find it. So I'm less confident about this particular egg, and so is the machine. It's trying to pick up vibration, but right now it's telling you that that egg is dead. The other machine, I'll tell you, we're not going to break them open, believing this machine was correct or not correct. It's kind of nice. We use this for the falcons where it's really important data, and we want to know how they're doing. So we'll egg monitor them every couple of weeks. We'll take a look and see how they're doing. This blue machine over here is kind of neat. It's called an egg candler, and the idea is you set an egg on top of here, and this is not going to show up because quail eggs are really well pigmented, but essentially you put an egg on there and you have a darkened room, and you press this little button and a beam of light shoots through the egg. See that little beam of light when I press the red button. So all it is a box with a light bulb in there, and it shoots a beam of light through a small space. And if you have an egg up against there and it's not fertile, if it's dead, if it's never a sperm added to the egg, it'll just be clear and you can see the whole thing kind of lights up. If the egg is fertile, then what happens is you can see degrees of opaqueness or darkness, dark shadows in there. And as the bird is almost ready to hatch, at the top of the egg, the fat part of the egg, there's this air cell, and that'll be clear. You can see through that. Everything else will just be dark. So anyway, you can candle eggs and you can use heart rate monitors to kind of get a fix on how they're doing, and hopefully doing well, we hope. So we'll see which quail eggs here hatch very soon.